In front of me is REALME C33, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this REALME. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on System. After that, you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Finally, select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!